Subject math, topic addition with carrying over. If 365 women and 276 men took part in the Clean Village campaign, how many people took part all together? So, this is a word problem where we have to write the statements and we have to solve it too. So, firstly, we have the number of women, which is 365. Write the digits in the correct place. Then we have to add it by the number of men, which is 276. Then we have to add these numbers. We have to find the total number of people. So we begin by adding from the units place. We have 5 plus 6, the answer is 11. 1 is in the units place and we carry over the 1 tens to the tens place. So we have to add 6 plus 7 plus the carryover 1. The answer is 14 tens. So we write 4 in the tens place and we carry over the 100 to the hundreds place. So here we have to add 3 plus 2, which is 5, plus 1, which is the carryover. So we get the answer as 6. So our total is 641. So the answer is 641 people took part in the campaign altogether. Malti Bai gifted 350 books to the school library. Vasant Rao gave 400 and Jayant Rao 165. What was the total number of books gifted to the school library? The number of books Malti Bai gifted 350. Remember to write the digits in the correct place. Then we have the number of books Vasant Rao gifted, which is plus 400. Then we have the number of books Jayant Rao gifted, which is plus 165. So we start adding from the units place. We have 0 plus 0 plus 5. We are going to find out the total number of books gifted. So as we said, 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Then we add the digits in the tens place, 5 plus 6. The answer is 11 tens. So we write 110 and carry over the 1 to the hundreds place. So we have to add 3 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1 is 8 plus the carryover 1. So the answer is 9 and the total is 915. So 915 books were gifted to the school library. If 230 Gulmohar saplings, 375 neem saplings, and 160 teak saplings were planted on the hillside, how many saplings were planted altogether? Number of Gulmohar saplings 230. Number of neem saplings plus 375. Number of teak saplings plus 160. So we add from the units place 0 plus 5 plus 0. We are going to find out the total number of saplings planted. So 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. Then we add the tens place, the digits. 3 plus 7 plus 6, which is 16. So 6 is in the tens place and we carry over the 1 to the hundreds place. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 1, the carryover is 7. So our answer is 765 saplings were planted altogether. For a school drama, Smita sold 226 tickets, Sushila sold 318 tickets, and Shraddha sold 156 tickets. How many tickets did they sell altogether? Number of tickets Smita sold 226 plus number of tickets Sushila sold 318 plus number of tickets Shraddha sold plus 156. So we start adding from the units place. 6 plus 8 plus 6. We have to find out the total number of tickets sold. So 6 plus 8 plus 6 is 20. You carry over the 2 to the tens place and keep the 0 in the units place. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. The answer is 10. So you carry the 1 hundreds or the 10 tens to the hundreds place and write 0 in the tens place. So you add 2 plus 3 plus 1, which is 6 plus 1, which is the carryover. We get 7. So they sold 700 tickets altogether. Use the given information to prepare a word problem of addition and solve it. That means you have to make a sum, okay, a word problem using the information that is given to you, and then you have to solve it. So the information that you have here is that there are some storybooks, 15 number, and there are books of poems, 75 in number. So how will you make your word problem? Certain clues are given. So you can write there are 50 story books and 75 books of poem in a school library. How many books in all are there in the library? Once you have written the problem, you can start solving it. So we have 50, which is the number of story books. We added to 75, which is the number of books of poems. You add from the units place. We have to find the total number of books. So 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So you write 2 in the tens place and carry the 1 to the hundreds place. There's nothing to add here. So you will write 1 in the hundreds place. There are 125 books in all in the school library. Let's try this. There is information. Cost of a dress is rupees 275 and cost of a shirt is rupees 399. Okay, so we have to make the word problem and it begins with a girl's name, Rashmi. So we can write a problem like this. Rashmi bought a dress for rupees 275 and a shirt for rupees 399. How much did she spend in all? Once you have written the word problem, we can start solving it. 275 is the cost of the dress. You add it to 399, which is the cost of the shirt. What do we have to find out? The total amount spent. You begin by adding the digits in the units place. 5 plus 9, the answer is 14. 4 is in the units place and you carry over the 1 to the tens place. Then you add 7 plus 9 and then the carry over 1. The answer is 17 tens. You write 7 tens and carry over the 100s, the 1 to the hundreds place. So you have 2 plus 3 plus 1 and the answer is correct 6. So Rashmi spent rupees 674 in all. Here you have information that in a basket there are 35 mangoes and 45 guavas. So let us write a word problem. In a basket there are 35 mangoes and 45 guavas. How many fruits are there in the basket altogether? You put the numbers in the correct place to find the answer. That is 35 plus 45. 35 is the number of mangoes, 45 is the number of guavas, and we have to find out the total number of fruits. You begin by adding the digits in the units place. 5 plus 5 is 10. You write 0 and carry over 1. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, the carryover is 8. So there are 80 fruits in all.